Hello everyone. This video demonstrates a very simple double-sided mesh pattern that is appropriate for inexperienced knitters. The scheme consists of one loop and 2 rows. We start on the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is: make a yarn over loop, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. We work with loops in pairs, a stitch and a yarn over loop. After the edge loop, pick up the yarn over loop with the right hook, pass it above the stitch, and then drop it. Purl the stitch. Again, drop the yarn over and purl 1. Drop the yarn over and purl 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. I've presented you with an especially straightforward design for a double-sided, lovely, stretchy net pattern that's perfect for light, basic winter accessories like capes and scarves. Any yarn will work with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.